Welcome. If you want to take screenshot without using physical buttons on your VIVO V21 5G, we got two methods. The first one, we can swipe up with our three fingers just like that. As you can see, this screenshot was taken. When you click on it and tap on the right upper corner, you are going to save it. And how to enable this option? Take a look. It's very simple. We have to go for the shortcuts and accessibility. And then we have to go for the S capture. And this option will appear right here. So one more time, swipe up like that, and the screenshot will be taken. We got also another option. When you open your notification panel, you will find S capture icon. So tap on it once, click to take a long screenshot, and then click save. As you can see, this screenshot was also taken. For sure, you can find your screenshots in the gallery. So in this case, we got these albums. Okay, never mind. Not this one. We can go for the Google Files, for example. And as you can see in the images, we can find the screenshots that we take. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.